Hi everyone, Maggie Goodlander here. We're gearing up for a very intense week as this big and brutal bill is making its way towards the House of Representatives. I'm here in Nashua this morning. I just had an incredible conversation with healthcare providers, with patients who are stepping up and showing up and speaking out against the absolutely devastating impacts that this bill is going to have on the basic costs of healthcare, the basic availability of healthcare for tens of thousands of people across the city of Nashua and the state of New Hampshire. What I heard in this meeting with healthcare providers who have literally dedicated their lives to providing care to people in our communities is that this bill is going to cost lives for the most vulnerable people in our community, and it's going to jack up costs for everybody in this state. It's why I am fighting with everything I've got to protect your healthcare against the biggest cuts to healthcare in American history, and to prevent the cost of living, which is already way too high here in New Hampshire, from being jacked up across the board, from healthcare costs to energy costs, which this big brutal bill would jack up energy costs, education costs, and food costs at a time when so many hardworking families are having to make the most excruciating kind of decisions about whether to put food on the table or to fill an absolutely critical prescription. I'm bringing your voices to Washington as I head back down there for this debate, and I'm leaving it all on the field, and I'm never giving up.